Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can use ChatGPT over on your Telegram. So I suggest you to just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So first of all, let's say I'm going to search it from here, ChatGPT. So once you search over here, and you will see there are some bots which are named as ChatGPT. So let's try with this first one. So here you can see once I send a message, there is no response from this bot. So let's try another message. Alright, so still there is no response. So we have a menu right here. So let's chat from this menu, and it's still nothing. So basically this is a fake bot which the people have created, and it's useless. You cannot use a ChatGPT bot over on Telegram. So let's try another one. Alright, so let's try another one. So we have more bots right here, and this look likes maybe the original ChatGPT, so I'm going to try this one, but not. You can see there is a lot of spam content here, and it's also a fake bot. Okay, so let's try the third one. Alright, so another bot is here. So let's message to this bot. And once I message to this bot, you can see there is an stupid response from this bot. So basically you cannot get a original ChatGPT bot over on your Telegram. So don't waste your time over these bots. You cannot get any of the original one. So this is the reality behind the ChatGPT bots over on Telegram. And all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't try to waste your time over here. You cannot find the ChatGPT bot over here. Just go and proceed with the original ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching.